Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off and on notification in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings and search for notification. Now you can see here notification options. If you want your notification on, then click on this button. If you want to off your notification, now turn off this button. And you can on and off your notification from your specific apps. So now I want to turn off from Snipping tool, then Autoplay, then TeamViewer. So this is how you can turn off and on your notification. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.